Pedro. Kaya yung sip-o ni mag-usap kami, yung sip-o ni Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sip-o niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict?
Yes!
Alam ninyo kung pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man.
Yes!
You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente?
Tama!
Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan. The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan, Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Maraming sabi, ganon, tantong. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong na. Mr. Military, give us a right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
Hindi short of challenging Browner na. Hindi short of challenging Browner ng
wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the President who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kahit kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the President. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a package ng nationalist. Ngayong
Hindi nga, people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo na siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag mo si Tatay Digo, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry.
Kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa.
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor. Samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may maganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not?
No, nothing.
So just
No, nothing.
You're just airing out. You are out.
I mean,
to enjoin them to opt out.
what?
Opt out from supporting what you said was Sandro is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That's civilian ako. I have no authority to order them to.
Order, but just enjoin them or.
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are loyalist bunch of man. Sabihin ko sa Pilipino, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. So may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide, minumurak. If you can tap the fingers and say, tulog, kunti na lang. Ano kung ako yun, isin mo naman, kung tulog. Kapi ka lang. Murahin mo, kaya po napahiya. Sundalo ng pagkamatay. Oo, nabaril. Sa argument yun. Ito lang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel. Was with.
What happened pala sa...
Walang balita. Oh.
Colonel, hindi mo nag-suicide yun. Yung PSG nag-suicide talaga. Minura niya. Ni Mrs. Marcos. Bago lang.
Nabago ba nila?
Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may ano dito ka-ask daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ang Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Pero going back, what
Ano mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from this happenings po, as a former president,
ma'am, tinasabi ko naman, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know. Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di, palakpakin. Let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll strap our hands and say that the military is takot. Kaya sinabi mo eh. Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, ang balos-los, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na magulo dyan talaga dyan. And to make Martin from speaker, mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
So what's your reaction to the possibility of no and mixed no election?
It can be possible. Wala yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Na kuan po ni PNP Chief Martin na pagawa siya statement before na mga drug users daw kaya ni nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilang oras na panabaho from the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang nag-ano
Ang mga nagagamit daw of drugs kaya hindi daw atin. Nagagamit lang daw sila hindi na sa mga trabaho para lang mag-extend ang ilang oras sa pagpapatrabaho.
maganda yan. Maganda yan. So